Hi everyone, happy International Day of Yoga. In this video, my mom and I did some yoga to celebrate the day. June 21st has been celebrated as International Day of Yoga every year since 2015. Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice which originated in India. We started off with meditation and then we did some Surya Namaskars. We are not yoga instructor and in no way perfect. But yeah, trying to be better every day. Surya Namaskar or sun salutation is also known as the ultimate asana. It improves blood circulation, it makes our muscles strong, it improves our concentration and makes us more focused. It also promotes weight loss and helps regulating the menstrual cycle. Doing this for at least 10 minutes every day is highly beneficial for our mind and body. Then we did Chakrasana or the wheel pose. The Chakrasana increases flexibility and strength of our spine. It increases our lung capacity and strengthens the shoulder, hands, and legs. It improves the function of digestive and reproductive system. It also relieves pain in neck and shoulder. This is Uttan Padasana or the raised leg pose. This pose prevents acidity, indigestion and constipation. It cures back pain and also helps reducing fat around our abdomen. And then we did warrior flow. We started with downward dog position and then slowly moved to warrior one pose or Virabhadrasana, taking deep and long breaths in and out. From this position, we slowly move to warrior two pose. From there, we slowly move to reverse warrior pose or Viparit Virabhadrasana. And then we ended the warrior flow with a side angle pose. You can add many variations as you like. Then we repeated the same flow on the other side. The warrior flow improves our breathing. It opens the tight muscles and opens our heart, leading to better cardiovascular health. Taking long and deep breaths, we then move to Kapotasana or the pigeon pose. This pose opens the hip joint and stretches the thigh muscles. It helps with urinary disorder and stimulates internal organs. It improves our posture and lessens lower back pain and stiffness. And now we repeat the same pose on the other side. This pose is called Vrikshasana or the tree pose. This pose improves balance and it makes our legs stronger. It tones our leg muscles, improves our posture, and helps in building focus and concentration. Then, starting off with downward dog position, we move to a high plank to Bhujangasana or the cobra pose. This pose is therapeutic for asthma patients. It strengthens our spine, stretches our chest, lungs, abdomen, and shoulder, and helps to relieve stress. Then we move to Dhanurasana or the paw pose. This pose improves digestion, stimulates our reproductive organs, and improves flexibility of spine. It also strengthens our calves, ankle, and hamstring muscles. And then we did some Anjanasana or low lunges. This exercise reduces lower body fat, back pain, and stress and anxiety. It improves digestion and strengthens our spine, abdomen, and shoulders. This asana is called Gomukh Asana or the cow face pose. It stretches the hips, thighs, ankle, chest, and shoulders. It helps those who are suffering from diabetes. It treats stiff shoulders and back pain. It helps to make the back flexible. It also stimulates our kidney. We repeated the same asana on the other side. Practicing yoga every day is very useful, along with other exercises and healthy eating habits. Yoga makes us feel good. It reduces our anxiety and stress. Practicing yoga will increase our flexibility and will make us stronger physically and mentally. Yoga boosts our immune system and metabolism. It helps in our focus and concentration. It increases compassion and makes us more kind towards others. It also doesn't require much space or any kind of instruments. So, this yoga day, I urge everyone to take a pledge and practice yoga every day at any time possible, even if for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Bye everyone. Take care and thanks for watching the video. Enjoy the clip of this beautiful sunrise.